Hi everyone, Professor Duckett here, just jumping on to do a quick tutorial on how to recolor icons. So if you're using icons, sometimes you are looking at designing your logo and you're just trying to get some inspiration, maybe something to build upon, build around, or to, again, like I said, just get some inspiration. You can kind of go in and look at some different icons that have been crafted. You can kind of recolor them using your brand colors, using the colors of your clients or the organizations that you represent. So it's just a neat way to be able to customize the icons that you find. So I borrowed this icon from the Noun Project. If you want to go to their website, the Noun Project, and look at some of their icons that they have. It's really neat. You just kind of type in the search what you're looking for, brand related words, any emotional words, and tons of icons pop up. So I pulled this one over for this exercise. So down in the lower right hand corner, you can click layer, go to blending options. And on the left where it says color overlay, go ahead and check that box. And if your preview box is checked, you'll start to see your design already changing colors. So with that, you can just kind of make sure your normal is checked and then just kind of double click the color overlay, just make sure it's highlighted, and then you can move around different colors and play with recoloring your icon. So that's all there is to it. I think I'm kind of wanting to leave this on pink. Let's go pink. All right, click OK, and then you can kind of download this, export this as a transparent logo file or transparent background and kind of put it on other documents or build around it. Here's an example of just one way I was thinking about using it, kind of playing with it, but I might also pull in the colorful icon and kind of build around there. So just ways you can be thinking creatively about using these kind of repositories of icons and logo templates. And it's all about customization. So if you know who you are and kind of where you want to go, you can really make these things your own. Have fun and happy photoshopping. I'll see you in the next video.